What's up guys, Link here, welcome to another video, and for today's video, it's gonna be a special video, because today I'm starting with a new gameplay of Resident Evil 4 for the Wii edition thing. Oh, I'm just gonna skip that. Anyways guys, like, today, well, the past days I went to the doctor and I'm sick again. I don't understand why you make videos while I'm sick, and this is just frustrating while making a video. So today we're gonna start off by a new game. We're gonna start at normal, and I got myself a new schedule. Mondays and Tuesdays we're gonna meet. We're just gonna do it normal. Yeah, why not? We're just gonna skip this cutscene. I've beat this game like a bunch of times. If you wanna see the cutscene by yourself, just look them by yourself. All right, guys. So we're starting off here. And let's see. Alright, sorry guys right there. I made a quick edit. I just wanted to put up the volume a little bit. And I know the camera on my tablet looks horrible, but like in real life it looks much better because like I'm using my own eyes. That doesn't make sense. So we're just gonna go on. We have to go to this house right here. Cutscene. My videos are not gonna be that short, guys. I'm so sorry. I mean, I'm not. My videos are not gonna be that long. I'm so sorry. But I'm gonna be making my best and making parts by parts, until we get to a special typewriter. Which there are typewriters in this game which you could save on the game. And here's a cutscene.
Excuse me, sir. I was wondering if you might recognize a girl in this photograph.
¿Qué carajo estás haciendo aquí? ¡Lárgate, cabrón!
Sorry to have bothered.
Freeze! I said freeze!
And just like that, this guy wants to kill us this quick, but that's not gonna happen. Come on, dude. There we go. What a kick. As you can see, guys, there are more of them outside. Jesus Christ.
Shit.
Alright. We got this. There's more of them outside, but we have to go upstairs here because we're gonna get some extra handgun ammo, which that's 10, that's awesome. We're gonna go down here. We're gonna jump out of this window because that's like the only exit. Oh, jump! Come on. Who wants a piece of Leon? Suckers. Ow! Bam! You wanna go slow? Oh no! Ah! Ooh. Who's next? Whoa. Chill out, bro. Wait. Somebody's still... Oh my god, you're still alive. Surprisingly, we're gonna reload. We got minis. 1,100. That's not half bad. Alright, let's keep continuing. Because I gotta do this fast, or else... I gotta make a edit and then upload the next video. Because, for example, guys, I don't know if I told you this, guys, but I think in my previous videos I said I can't record it for that long. I can only record for like 14 minutes and up. That's it. And each time those 14 minutes pass, I'm either gonna... Okay, there's a typewriter right here. We're gonna save on a different spot here. I said that I can't record for 14 minutes and up, so every time I see those 14 minutes pass, I'm just gonna end the video and then instantly gonna upload the next video. Alright? Alright, that's cool. freaking birds around here. And then here's a poor doggy right here. And I'm sorry guys, I didn't see the brightness in my screen. Sorry if you see this video so bright. I'm so sorry. But I'm gonna make my best uploading the second video and like later, I guess, once this video is done. So as you can see right here, holy shiza, here's a guy who saw us. Where's the guy? Come at me, bruh. I'm gonna make this guy like explode on this thing. Oh, what an idiot. Alright. Okay, I don't. Alright, whatever. Let's go up. There's more of them over there, but I'm just gonna come here and destroy some boxes. Handgun, green herb. If you guys didn't know about this game, I'm just gonna explain it a little bit. We're supposed to press. Let me just kill these guys. Just a sec, alright, guys? Holy. Man, this guy's pissing me off. Get out of here. The other guy. There you are. I don't understand how they get me so easily. Alright, he died. I'm just gonna take a little bit of, let's mix, no, let's just take this, right? Oh my god, I'm definitely gonna put down the brightness on the next video. I'm so sorry. Because I can literally play the game while looking at the recording. Oh my god, there's a guy right here. Come out! Oh, Jesus. Get out of here. Sucker. That is so dramatic. Why do they die so dramatic? I just kicked them and they just do a barrel roll. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Enter. Yeah, you guys, this game is long. It's like 5 chapters, but it's gonna be quick because you guys know.
Leon, how you holding up?
Bad question, Hunnigan.
Sorry to hear that. I'm sending you a playing manual. Hope you find it useful.
I'll take a look at it, thanks.
Alright, no one gives a damn about a playing manual because I already know how to play this game. Alright, everything's good. As you can see, you guys. You see all those people, even that cop died. Now I'm just, the first time I played this game, I was so scared that would happen to me. Because of these idiots right here. Like, they're idiots, I have to admit, they're idiots. We're just gonna go for it and then kill all of them. Stop calling me like that. Okay, they saw me. I didn't want to do this, but I have to do this anyway. We're gonna have to go inside of the house. But I just don't want to go inside the house because...
Who are these people? They're planning. Chainsaw. Son of
This is freaking me out. You guys. What would you guys do if you were like in a village like this? We get the shotgun and we get our first hand grenade, which we're gonna blow these ass faces down. The creepy thing about this is that I didn't want to come into the house because there's a chainsaw guy and that freaks me out every time. So let's see. Just gonna do that. Oh crap. Let's do that. Wait. I need to organize this. Let's see. That. Okay. There we go. We did it. Right? Whoa, 10 minutes recording. This is pathetic. Oh my Jesus, there he comes. You see that guy right there, you guys? That's the chainsaw guy. Ah! This is freaky, man. I gotta say. Oh, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Don't knock the ladder. Just jump out, you idiot. Alright, there we go. Ah! Come on, go, 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 go. Hello, hello, chicken. But I have to. I'm in a hurry today. Go, go, freaking go. Oh my Jesus Lord. This is scary. Why? Oh my god, I hear the chainsaw guy again. Where is he? Show yourself, you demon. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Get out of here, man. Reload, reload, reload. Ow! You son of a... You guys deserve to die. Come on. Oh my god, the chainsaw guy. Come on, come at me, bro. Come at me. I ain't afraid of you. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Oh no, what do I do? You know what? Screw this. I'm gonna have to use the flashing grenade. Ah! Oh god, get out of here. African son of a bastard. Oh my god, I only have 3 shotgun shells. What am I gonna do? Get off! Run! Run like a... Oh my god! He is behind me. Take the egg, eat it. I don't care what you do with it. Now, we're gonna have to collect some shotgun shells, cause like, I'm about to die with this chainsaw guy if I run out of bullets. So this is the place where we get shotgun shells. Or bullets. Gotta be careful. We can't take for long being up here. Reload. Wherever the heck he is, I'm just gonna kill him. There you are, boy. How's it going? You want a piece of Leon? Well, come and get it, boy. Oh my god! This is different. Oh crap. Get out. Yeah. Reload! Oh! Holy BG, you guys. That was close. Yes, we killed him. Right. Thing is, we now have to kill the others. So that's gonna be fun. Holy crap, I ran out of freaking ammo for the shotgun. I'm gonna throw this hand grenade. Throw it! Boom! How you like that? Right. We got more shotgun shells, that's awesome. And we got a lot of money. Now, what should we do? What should we do? Okay, we're gonna have to grab our handgun. Frick it. Oh, actually, we actually got more. Oh, Jesus. Oh, crap. Here they come. Oh. Woo! Yeah, get out of here. African. Get out of here. Alright, I think I'm gonna end off the video right here, you guys. Alright, you guys, tune in until the next video that I'm about to upload right now. So, see you guys later.